car back, nigga? Can I get my car back now?
Hey, yo, that is his old car, believe it or not.
Thank you for showing me what it can do. Like,
This is Miles' old car, believe it or not.
He's definitely gonna blow our cover.
Who came with the roof rock, drop top, riding around the city for a new drop. Ice spot, noose around my neck and in my tube socks. Hot rock, bitch got heavy metal, and plus my crew hot, and your crew not. This who came with the roof rock, drop top, riding around the city for a new drop. Ice spot, noose around my neck and in my tube socks. Hot rock, bitch got heavy metal, and plus my crew hot, and your crew not. Who in the spot got a two? Everybody look at the man who be posting the shit but don't use it. Get on the beat and abuse. Word to word, I turn paper to music. If it ain't about the money, don't think I'm influenced. I gave mama Barbarian, granny a Louis. And like I was saying, who in here got two? Yeah, I know you a pussy, you ain't gonna shoot. You only get paid.
If you see this poured out on the fucking floor, something fucking bad happened. But we're here to improvise, correct?
Yeah.
Show the fucking people what the fuck is going on here. Put a little light on the subject here.
So, I had to drill a hole because I had it set up to where it didn't have any preload. So we're hoping. I'm not feeling too confident because
I've seen this before.
Our Lord and Savior VQ God over there said that preload probably won't do much. So hopefully he's wrong. And
Dude, PE's in the front. BMW guys.
Yeah, man.
Y'all are,
They're for sale.
y'all are
They're
rich.
for sale.
Are they really?
Yeah.
How much?
I don't know. You gotta.
How much for this P? Oh, he's over there. Shout out to Mike doing the Lord's work over there, number one. So I cannot be going out there looking like this. So we gotta put the spacers on. Oh shit. Yeah, you see that shit. 3 AutoZone slide-on guys with the 1.5 inch. We're doing the 3-lug conversion. I'm kidding. I'm gonna get 2 more. Mike, thank God.
Oh yeah.
Don't do this at home, okay? Don't do it. Don't worry about it.
What the fuck, man?
We're gonna do our best to make sure that
I need to look at them.
it doesn't buckle here.
Alright.
Get your tits.
1-800-Stanceology.
Schedule an appointment, bro.
On our way to the fucking spot. Got Sean, he's not paying attention. Got this pile of shit back here. Alex and... Hey man, that thing sounds like it's running kind of shitty.
Dude, with the whole tail light out, bro.
That thing's pushing P.
What the fuck is that thing doing?
My check engine light just came on.
Fuck! I don't got one of those.
Little bitch. Smoking no dead, homie got me stuck. Rich nigga shit, presidents on runs. He can't ride solo dolo, got no gun. Used to fight bigger niggas just for fun. Bitch, I got mob ties on the east side, on the west side, on the south. ESB stepping, bitch, I'm always stepping. Blue dot bean and up at his mouth. He claim me outside, but he like to hide. So we gon' get the drop to his house. He diss, I respond, answer for the addy. If I cannot find him, I'ma get his spouse. Hit her on small, nah, yeah. He just dissing for the clout. In my own road, nah, yeah. Money pouring, but it used to be droughts. I'm in my bag now. Fuck what you say, you won't come out the house. Used to have no hoes, nah. All these bitches want my kiss in their mouth. He don't want smoke, nah, yeah. He just dissing for the clout. In my own road, nah, yeah. Money pouring, but it used to be droughts. I'm in my bag now. Fuck what you say, you won't come out the house. Used to have no hoes, nah. ESB got these bitches a drought. Bitches beefing over me, Royal Rumble. I just wanna fuck, little bitch, I don't cuddle. Lot on IG, but in person you mumble. Don't need no new bitch with my girl, I feel comfort. Don't need no new niggas that's round me for numbers. Don't need no old family that come around with drama. Don't need you around me, you bringing some problems. Family go die if you fuck with my bubble. Hit her on smoke, nah, yeah. He just did said for the clout. In my own road, nah, yeah, money pouring, but it used to be droughts.
Damn. Oh, he just ran the light, bro. What a poser. Damn.
I wonder if they're street race.
Probably. We're pretty deep. We invited just a couple people here. We're just, you know, we're gonna see. Oh, he's definitely gonna blow our cover. Dude, they're probably gonna pull up on us and be like, yo, these are definitely the guys. And anywho,
Planning a takeover right now.
yo,
Planning a
chill.
takeover.
This
See
is
all
a
those
this
knees,
is was just a pop-up Baywatch meet thing. And then
We all met each other right now.
marijuana doctor.
That's not a good sign.
This is like the NPC fucking shopping center from GTA.
Hey yo,
You got work shoes, you got your food,
your
marijuana.
insurance spelled wrong. Team hot shit.
Pause the threes.
You see it? Big drift guy. This is actually Chelsea Nova's stepson. Let me see what. Does it look kind of shady?
Final about 2024?
Something like that. You know. Wow, look how
Dude,
official
this
he
is
is.
fire. I love it. He said, I hope this thing starts, bro. Damn,
Shut
the fuck up, man. It's gonna start, alright?
Fucking bumped it.
That shit is fucking.
Dude,
Hold
they
on,
just picked up
hold
the
on.
quality like 1,000%.
Holy shit, bro! If I spin out tonight, I suck.
Wow. Oh my god. You
Yo!
can't spin out now, bro. Look at all these stickers, bro. You what'd you say this thing made?
Dude, it
260?
makes
That makes at
fucking
least
380 now.
380 now.
We're all, oh fuck! This guy is just X Games mode. This guy doesn't know what's going on. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Out here deep. Jeez.
What you got, bro? What you
I
got?
don't know that guy.
You don't know him? All right, bet.
He said I don't know him.
He doesn't know him. Nice line, bro. That shit looks sick.
Hell yeah.
That shit looked pretty sick.
Bro, I
That
think
that
it
one, the big scrub over here.
Big scrubby like that? The
Yeah,
background?
that was nice.
It needs some alignment. It needs some alignment.
Little power steering. Little belt squeal. He's taking her to the pits. No biggie. Just gotta take her to the pits. No big deal. Oh, it don't. See, it's good now. Mike's about to push me now.
car back now?
Hey, yo, that is his old car. Believe it or
Thank you
not.
for
This,
showing me what it can do. Like,
this is Miles' old car. Believe it or not. He said, "Yo, I gotta cut that." Big e-brake guy. Oh yeah. About to get real busy. Dang, that thing might be Cameron. What you got in that thing? What you got in that thing?
outside. This is the nightlife.
She's buffing. Just got a rever to get to the 14 volts. No biggie.
You got the glass on.
Boy, Lyle's lit, bro.
Yo, how you liking that new whip?
Bro, we... Oh, he was facing that truck. She was kind of lit. Yeah. Bro, you were driving. You're driving. We want to see that thing push Pete. Connor's about to push P now here. His JZX here. Big drift guy. Yes, sir.
Yes, very, very, very good.
I can't even see out of that bitch, bro. This shit full of smoke. You got a golden shower coming from your left rear, bro.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Already? Oh, really great. It looked amazing.
What's that young boy on?
Oh, word?
It felt so good.
It looked great.
No. I didn't know.
What's up, bro? You're next.
I just been waiting.
Come on, let's go. You're up. Peer pressure. Let's go. Get in the
I am
car.
getting peer pressure.
Get in the fucking car. You're next.
Maybe I'll think about it.
You can't. Oh, this is the spot, bro. If you don't see clips from him driving here, he pussed out, bro.
You need the jack?
I like the return fire sticker. I need one of those.
That should look pretty top.
The dog owed me a hoodie. Yo, chill. Turn the video. Yes, sir.
Okay, then, bro.
We got Taylor Nova.
Yes, sir.
Milo driver. Holy shit. Whoa. Hey. Whoa. I got something to say. Cosmo tire. Drop and put her on. Taylor. Let's go.
What's up, bro? What's up? Where you at? Where you at, bro?
Gotta go.
Yeah, we putting the whole thing in one take. Facts.
Wow, big improvement
I'm
from last
impressed.
time.
I'm
Big
impressed.
improvement.
I am
Big
impressed.
improvement. Yeah,
That was
very
good.
impressive.
That was good work.
We can show you. Page
That's
for
good
page,
work.
you know what I'm saying?
Oh, he's going band for band. He said,
No.
no identity up here. He said, no identity theft.
No identity theft. Come on, bro. What do you think? You're Kodak, bro? Like, what the fuck? He's scared of what?
I didn't also didn't say.
Starting a petition tomorrow for Cosmo Tire to and pick you up. That was sick.
Just late as fuck, bro.
It ain't that late, bro. It's all in your head.
He said it's late. Be in bed with a bitch. Damn, he said.
It's all in your head.
Got what's up. Damn, where Dior at, bro? Hey, yo, hey, son. Those were spinning just fine. Spinning just fine.
That's KA magic.
That was
Magic.
perfect. It's this,
Yes.
you know.
Well, let me see that again.
It's like,
one more time.
It's like the shake.
Well, you gotta use the left one a little more. Left one has to be a little more. There you go. That's more like it. Guy's flying, bro.
got you.
Gas cap. Close the gas cap, brother.
Your gas cap came open. I got it for you though.
Ay, Maria.
It's okay. He's gripped up.
Don't worry.
You can tell the grip is there.
Bro, we already almost smacked
Yeah, I got that one.
Bro, when it hits the car.
That thing fucking works.
I'm saying, bro. So
They got speed bumps at this spot now.
that sucks, but whatever.
It'll buff out. Bombs?
What is?
Points if you dodge around it.
I mean, fuck,
That's what it's for.
fuck.
It's to keep your driving in check.
Let's see.
Bro, that shit gotta feel gnarly over those speed bumps.
Dude, I think he's actually low-key kind of cutting it. Like the rear end in between. He's definitely hitting them. Is he really? Yes. He is. I got bad news, y'all. This shit didn't work. This shit didn't work. Of course, it'd be the fucking Infiniti.
He's like, what the fuck, why are they drifting? I said there's speed bumps. He goes, that means they're winning. Move your car.
What speed bumps?
Let me take old girl from a more spin.
Oh, hell no. I seen you drive. He said I'm different.
Bro, he drove right over them.
Dude, that shit's just... I didn't see any. Let me get that again. Let me get that one more time. Yeah.
It was literally like this.
Yo, where's the single jingle? The single jingle's got this, bro. It's just that's stock height, bro.
Rotation change, crazy.
I didn't put that in the video. I just saw him get a little close to this year. We're out to the last spot.
Man,
It's sick having all my 240 friends out again. Yes, Oh, he's him. Wow! Pushing P for real.
Curry here with the big dribble. What is that one?
What's that one?
What is that? What is that? Yo. Yeah, that one's pretty wild too. Holy shit, that thing was definitely.
She's dribbling.
Holy titties.
Tragic.